Today I'm going to share how to make a simple yet luxurious face mask. This face mask has the soothing power of lavender, the deep moisturization of honey, and the great exfoliation of a clay mask. This mask is perfect for all skin types, especially if you're looking for something to calm your irritated skin and to brighten it up a little bit. So let's get started. I say this is a very simple recipe because this is a one-time use recipe. There are no preservatives that we're using in this recipe, and we are only going to be using 3 ingredients. So the very first ingredient we're going to use is Manuka honey. Manuka honey is not just any regular honey. This honey is known for its powerful antibacterial properties, which is great for those that are dealing with some acne-prone or inflamed skin. So it really just helps soften and moisturize your skin while also balancing the skin tone. The second ingredient that we're going to use today is a Lavender Hydrosol. So lavender is a wonderful relaxing herb, and hydrosol is also floral water. So it perfectly mixes the calming properties of the lavender to reduce any redness, calm any irritations, and then also has that wonderful lavender aroma scent that is so calming and so light. The third ingredient is a French rose clay. I absolutely love French rose clay. I love just French clays because they are the gentlest of all of the clays. They are the gentlest of all the clays, and because it is perfect for all skin types, especially sensitive and mature skin. Clays are known to draw out the impurities while also gently exfoliating to get your skin nice and soft. Okay, so here we have our 3 ingredients. We have our Manuka honey, the Lavender Hydrosol, and then our clay. So we're going to mix the honey with the hydrosol. And now we're going to slowly start adding in our clay. So the more clay, the thicker it will be. The less clay, it'll be a little bit more runny. This is a little too runny for me, so I'm going to add a little bit more clay. We are not adding preservatives to this because of the ingredients are so fresh that I don't believe that there's any other way that we'd be able to preserve it. So this is great for just one of those self-care nights that you are having and you're just wanting a mask just to up your night. So here we have it. This is our mask. There we go. There you have it. It was very nice, quick, and simple. It will really boost your self-care routines. If you are looking for the recipe, I put all of my recipes in the Patreon where you can get so many recipes of all the videos I've made on this channel, and then some that I haven't even put on this channel. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. Until next time, happy crafting.